Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to go through one of my new favorite journals. So if you're a follower of this channel, then you know how many journals I have. I've done reviews on probably dozens of these types of journals before, but this one is one of my favorites. It's called the High Five Daily Journal. So I think this is a new one. This is by a woman named Robbins. So let's see what's all in this. I'm going to read this page to you in case you can't read it. Not the whole thing, but really this is all about building a confident body, mind, and spirit. And I'm all about the body, mind, and spirit because I've actually got another website and YouTube channel called Holistic Lifestyle Guide. And I'm really all about the body, mind, and the soul. And this journal channel, it was just an offshoot because journaling is that important. And that's why, I'm reviewing this journal, because anything that involves body, mind, and spirit and journaling about that, thumbs up. I love it. So here we go. A confident body means being comfortable in your own skin. So feeling grounded and present, stable and strong, rooted in self-awareness, ready for action. A confident mind sees the world in full vivid color and trusts in your ability to face whatever may come your way. Believing in yourself, spotting opportunities for what's meant for you, feeling inspired and optimistic, trusting in the divine nature of things. A confident spirit wants to try new things and soar unfettered towards its destiny. Courageous and expressive, eager to be seen, heard, and acknowledged, always learning and leaning towards its desires, filled with joy and celebration. When your body, mind, and spirit are lined up, your senses come alive, your mind focuses, and your heart expands. You are fully present. So this journal was backed by powerful science. The exercises in this journal are based on research and evidence. These daily practices in confidence, visualization, and mindset will change your brain's neural pathways and create new habits that will transform every aspect of your life. Empower your confident body, mind, and spirit. Following the steps outlined in this journal, you will tap into your natural confidence and let it flow through your body, enhance your mind, and awaken your spirit. The more you use this journal, the faster confidence becomes a habit. Simple, discipline, profound results. These exercises are simple, but over time, their impact on your life will be profound. New ways of acting lead to different ways of thinking and feeling. In the beginning, these changes are things you do, and over time, they become a part of who you are. Believe in your dreams again. Your dreams are out there waiting for you, but you need to believe in them and take action. This daily journal will train your body, mind, and soul to both pick up on the clues life is sending you and cultivate the courage to move towards them. Celebrate your life. It's pretty simple. You're not cheering yourself forward, and that's holding you back. With this journal, every day you'll be more present to who you are, what you want, and how you show up. By cheering for yourself and developing the habits to keep cheering no matter what, you will burst through what's blocking you. So, this is a layout that describes how to use this journal. So, I will go through this, but I'm also going to show you the actual pages, and I'll get to that in a minute. So, here we go. I'll read these. Thanks to neuroscience, we know a stressed out body puts your brain in survival mode and shows you threats instead of opportunities. So all change requires you to settle your body first, and that's why it starts with the body. So there are 6 things here, little to-do lists that you check off, and they each take just a few seconds. Take a deep breath. It's a powerful way to settle your nervous system because it activates your vagus nerve. It's your secret weapon to creating instant calm in your body. The next one is hands on your heart. This is another way to tone your vagus nerve. This mantra is how you teach your body what it feels like to be safe and settled and access your calm and cool center. Your senses are a conduit for the energy of your spirit. Begin to awaken that energy now to listen to it later. So there's one thing you can see, one thing you can hear, one thing you can touch, and one thing you can smell. In one word, I feel. So that is I lost my place here. That's part of that. Naming how your body feels is a key step towards developing self-awareness and feeling comfortable with yourself. Then you have your favorite daily habit to rewire the filter in your mind is to tell yourself that you are worth cheering for. Your dreams matter and you can handle whatever comes your way. Once your body is calm, you can focus your mind and attention where you want it to go. So clearing your mind, dump all your thoughts onto the page. Don't hold back. Get it out of your head so that you can get into the present moment with yourself. And that's what this is all about right here. And I talk about that all the time. Really, the main focus of journaling is to clear your mind, to assess your emotions. So that's what this section's all about. So then we get to this page, free your spirit. Now your body is calm and your mind is clear. It's time to awaken your spirit. Start dreaming in the morning. Write down 5 things that you want, 5 things that you want that so you can believe in them. Give yourself permission to have exactly what you desire. So this part here is all about your spirit, what you want, and fill that out in the morning. And writing what you want will start to shift what you believe is possible. And as you rewire the filter in your mind, it also leads to a 42% higher chance of achieving your dreams. That is a crucial thing to know. And this is why I love talking about goal setting and planning and all of those sorts of things, because when you do that, you are increasing your chances of achieving your dreams. It's so much easier to do when you write it down. And that's another reason why I love journaling and why I create journal pages and planner pages and things like that, because they all help you to reach your goals. So then this section, most people get manifesting wrong because they try to visualize the end result. Neuroscience research tells us to visualize yourself doing the hard, annoying small steps along the way to reaching your dreams. In doing so, you tell your brain, I do the hard work, I take advantage of opportunities, and I don't back down, I take action. So I slightly disagree with one of the things that this says. I do think you need to visualize the end result, but I think also you would need to focus on the action steps. That's a balance of the masculine and feminine energies. So the masculine energies are focused on outcomes, results, and the feminine aspects of energy focus on letting go and living in the flow and trusting. So you need a balance of both of those, which is good though, because in this book you are working on your feminine energies here by settling your body and clearing your mind. And that helps you to relax. And that helps you to live in the flow. So you do need a balance of both action, planning, and also living in the flow and being in touch with your emotions, which is why journaling is so great. So brain scans have shown that you stimulate the same regions in your brain when you visualize yourself performing an action as when you actually do the same action, which makes you more likely to follow through on that action, and it's your actions that get results. So this last part here is to visualize yourself taking these actions. So now I'm going to show you one of the pages. So every page in this journal is the same. The whole thing is the same page. So I don't need to show you the whole thing. So yeah, I kind of went through how to use this, and what I love about this journal is it contains everything for your body, mind, and your soul. It contains how to calm yourself down. And that's the first thing, you know. First thing you do is calming yourself down, grounding yourself. And that way you can clear your mind. I really like the layout that this is, because it starts with the most important part, the physical, and then the mental, and then the spiritual. This is able to happen so much easier when you've already done the body and the mind. So let me see. I've actually never looked at the back of this journal. It looks like there's just some blank pages. You know, journals are always good when they have blank pages at the end for you to take notes. So if you're interested in checking out this journal, which I highly recommend, I will leave a link down below in the description for you to go right to Amazon and snatch this up. This is one of my favorite journals already, and I use it every night before I go to bed. And if you're looking for a journal that helps you to work on your body, mind, and your soul, this is it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.